Traditional tanks and fighter jets are no longer enough to win modern wars. AI and software are becoming the brains behind the battlefield. And two companies, Palantir and Anduril, are right at the center of this shift. Hi, I'm Swati Agarwal and welcome to Global Dollar Investor. One of these companies you can invest in today. The other is still private. So what exactly do Palantir and Anduril do, and why should Indian investors care? Let's get started. For decades, defense was about aircraft, ships, tanks, and missiles. Those still matter. But today, speed, data, and decision-making matter just as much. Imagine an incoming missile approaching at enormous speed. A human team may need time to collect information, understand the threat, and decide how to respond. AI can process sensor data in fractions of a second and help identify that threat much faster. And in modern warfare, those saved seconds can make all the difference. And that is exactly where Palantir comes in. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, builds software that brings huge amounts of data together. It helps governments and businesses turn all that information into one clear picture. In defense, that could mean combining data from satellites, drones, sensors, and other systems. So instead of trying to understand dozens of separate signals, decision makers can see what is happening much faster. But what makes Palantir especially interesting is that its technology goes far beyond defense. Businesses are also using its AI and data platforms to improve operations and make better decisions. So Palantir sits at the intersection of two enormous trends: artificial intelligence and defense modernization. And that is why I think Palantir is an important company to understand early. If the company continues to grow and execute over the next decade, imagine what even a small investment today could potentially become over the long term. Now let's come to Anduril, because this company takes a very different approach. While Palantir mainly focuses on software, Anduril combines AI with actual defense hardware. It builds autonomous drones, counter-drone systems, and next-generation military aircraft. Connecting many of these systems is its AI platform called Lattice. Think of Lattice as the brain connecting these intelligent machines together. So, Palantir helps make sense of what is happening on the battlefield. Anduril is building intelligent machines that can actually operate on it. And that combination of AI, autonomy, and defense hardware is what makes Anduril such an interesting company. Now, here's the key difference for investors. Palantir is publicly traded, so you can invest in it today through the US stock market. Anduril, on the other hand, is still a private company and isn't available to public investors yet. When this company eventually comes to the public market, investors who already understand the business will be in a much stronger position to evaluate the opportunity. But the bigger story here goes beyond these two companies. Defense is no longer only about who can build the biggest weapon. Increasingly, it is about who can build the smartest system around it. And Palantir and Anduril represent this new generation of defense technology, a generation being built around AI, software, autonomy, and intelligent machines. And at Global Dollar Investor, that is exactly what we look for. We don't chase the latest high. We look for high-quality businesses that may be relatively small today, but have the potential to become much bigger over time. We invest with patience, we think long-term, and as always, invest smarter, think global. For more global investment ideas and opportunities, subscribe to Global Dollar Investor. This video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing.